Welcome to Module 2, Topic 1 on Scientific Notation and Exponent Laws. This topic set will introduce you and teach you about scientific notation and how it can be used to express very large or very small measurements, and also review exponent laws that are necessary for doing calculations involving area units and volume units such as square centimeters or cubic feet. To begin, let's practice with a conversion expressed in scientific notation. Convert 1.21 gigawatts into watts. Pause the video and do your calculation, then check your answer. Scientific notation is very useful when expressing large units in terms of base units or small measurement values in terms of their base value units. When converting measured values that have square meters, square feet, square centimeter, or any square units in them, we can't use our standard conversion factor. We talked about 1 meter being equal to 3.28 feet. Expand on this and convert 77 square meters into equivalent measurement in square feet. Check your guess. If you're incorrect, don't worry. We'll review the rules on how to do this as part of the module. Before moving on to lesson videos, see which of the following values you can match with scientific notation equivalent.